Heartburn got you down? Try these tips and tricks. Not many things are as painful as acid reflux. The agonizing burning sensations and pain can make anyone go crazy. Know that you are not the only person who has acid reflux. Happily, you don't need to just put up with it. Follow these tips to control acid reflux. It is important to avoid vigorous exercise if you deal with GERD. When you are compressing the stomach violently, you'll find that acid makes its way up into your esophagus. Instead, engage in moderate activity which helps you lose weight, stay in shape and yet ensures that acid stays where it belongs. Fatty foods no more. Fried chicken, pizza, chicken wings and potato chips are the enemy of the GERD sufferer. These foods cause your sphincter to relax, allowing the contents of your stomach, acid and all, to rise back up into your esophagus. Go for meals full of vegetables and lean protein instead. When you suffer from acid reflux, it is a smart idea to lay off the spicy foods. These foods only escalate the buildup of acid in the digestive tract and can worsen your condition. You can easily avoid acid reflux if you do not eat spicy foods. Stress can be a major factor of acid reflux. Excess stress increases stomach acid production, which causes acid reflux. Find a relaxing activity to pass the time after every meal. You can watch some television, read a good book or do anything relaxing. Certain foods will cause your acid reflux to act up. Chocolate is one of them, unfortunately. Also try to avoid mint, ketchup, mustard and even mint. If you are able to change your diet even just a little bit, you should feel much better and should have less episodes going forward. When you are eating all of your meals, take your time and savor each bite. It is a good idea to put your fork down between each and every bite. This is a good way to stop yourself from overeating, which means a dramatic reduction in all of your acid reflux symptoms. Acid reflux can be caused by eating large meals too quickly. If at all possible, try to break your meals down into smaller portions throughout the day. If that isn't possible, take the time to eat your food slowly. This will make it easier to tell when you're full, and prevent acid reflux caused by overeating. Acid reflux shouldn't be taken lightly. The feeling is horrible, but it may also be damaging your body. You have what it takes to put an end to it. Take what you've learned here and don't let acid reflux take its toll on your body anymore. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.